All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 4 now. Let's keep going through and see where we end up. As you can see from the white dots, this is the first time that I'm doing it as well, so we're doing this together. All right, so instructions. Naming new pages. You'll need to follow the same rules for naming HTML pages that you did for naming images. This page has some problems caused by poorly named HTML files. Do this. Click on the links in index.html and see which ones are broken. Alright, so if I click here, nada. If I click here, nope. If up, okay, that one worked. Okay, so fun facts about candy, check. The other ones do not work. Okay, so change the name, file names, and link href attributes so that they follow good naming conventions such as avoid special characters. All right, so let's do that. This page is going to be candy. We know we're going to rename it. So we're going to rename it Candy Facts. All right, and then this one is going to be Scotcheroos. And then this one is going to be, just going to call it juggling. There we go. All right. So how to make Scotcheroos. We need to change this to just Scotcheroos. Oh. So if I did that right, and we click on this, ba-da-ba-da, all right, that worked. Okay, let's keep going. New 3, so how to juggle is now going to be juggling. And C is going to now be candy facts. And you'll notice that I did not use a space, I used a dash. Or a dash. That's just good etiquette when it comes to coding. All right, so we're going to refresh and save, see how this works. Scotcheroos, yes, excellent. How to juggle, yes, excellent. All right, fun facts about candy, and okay. So, add a back to home link to the Scotcheroos page. All right, I think we can do that. So, go to the Scotcheroos page. I wonder if, I wonder if, do I still have, hey, I do. Check that out. I still have it saved from level 2. So let's see if it works. Go back. Oh, I am good. I am good. But, let's actually look at what it says. So we have bracket A, which tells me that's going to start a hyperlink. And then href. And then the index.html page in quotes. Don't forget the quotes. Bracket go back, which is what the link is called. And then we're going to finish with our end tag. So yeah, there we go. That's not cheating. That's just being creative or efficient. Yeah, it's being efficient. All right, we are done with level 4, and I will see you. Let's click the orange finish button. I'll see you on level 5. All right, here we go.